Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. In this video, I'll show you everything that I ate in the last 7 days on a ketogenic way of eating. I do keto a little differently than some of the others here on YouTube. I do a higher protein, moderate fat version of keto that is set to maintain lean muscle mass while promoting fat loss. Now let's get to the food.
Happy Wednesday, everyone. Welcome back to What to Eat Wednesday. This is my typical meal. I have this pretty much every single day. I have 2 fried eggs, 40 grams of center cut bacon, 1 ounce of cheddar cheese. I like to fry mine up in a pan just to make it crispy. It's fun that way. 0% FDOE Greek yogurt, sweetened with Mio water enhancer, orange vanilla, and a cup of Keto brew. This is Keto brew. It's ground up cocoa beans. You brew it like coffee. Sweetened with stevia, and I have a little heavy whipping cream in it today. And that's going to be my first meal of the day.
All right, everyone, it's Wednesday night, and I am having enchilada chicken taco salad. So I just have 6 ounces of chicken breast, 2 ounces of cheddar cheese, 4 tablespoons of light sour cream, and 1 packet of holy guacamole. And that's going to be my last meal of the day.
All right, everyone, it is Thursday. I'm at Commonwealth School, and this is going to be my first meal of the day. 2 boiled eggs, 40 grams of center cut bacon that I cooked this morning and brought in a baggie, 1 ounce of cheddar cheese, and 1 cup of 0% FDOE Greek yogurt sweetened with, I don't know what kind of Mio, the kind I always bring on Thursdays. Berry pomegranate Mio. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Hello, everyone. It's Thursday night, and this is what I'm having for my last meal of the day. I'm having an 8-ounce New York strip steak, a 1 cup of broccoli, and 2 ounces of cheddar cheese with 5 pieces of pepperoni. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Hello, everyone. It is Friday. I had a meeting today. It is 2:30, and I'm finally eating my first meal of the day. I was going to go home, but I just really don't have time. I've got to get some shopping done. And so I decided to stop, and I got the new Carl's Jr. pastrami burger. It's got a half a pound of beef, basically 2 quarter-pound patties, and a bit of pastrami on the top. Not exactly sure how to count that because I don't know how much pastrami is on this burger, but I at least can count the beef pretty easily and then guesstimate on the pastrami. And then I'm having a salad with ranch dressing, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, I am having some hot wings here at JCW's restaurant. I am only going to eat half of these, and then I'm going to take the other half home tomorrow. And I am having blue cheese dressing. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Hello, everyone. So I totally pigged out and ate all 12 of those hot wings last night. I totally intended to have them for breakfast, but they were so good. I just couldn't stop eating them. So I'm having my typical breakfast. 2 fried eggs, 40 grams of center cut bacon, 1 ounce of cheddar cheese fried in a pan, 1 cup of 0% FDOE Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio water enhancer, and 1 cup of Keto brew with stevia and heavy whipping cream. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. It's Saturday night, and I am having fast food because we are painting. Well, Dave is painting, and I am having the same thing I had for my first meal. Was it yesterday? Yeah, I don't even know anymore. But this is basically a double pastrami burger and a lettuce wrap. So it's 2 patties and some pastrami. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Happy Sunday, everyone. I have a little variation on my first meal of the day for you. So I have my 40 grams of center cut bacon and 1 ounce of fried cheese. And then this little baby is an egg loaf that Chef Dave is working on perfecting. And basically what we did was we separated the whites from the egg yolks of 6 or 7 eggs, and then whipped up the egg whites like to peaks, like meringue, with a little bit of cinnamon and vanilla in that, and then folding the egg yolks in, and then putting it in a baking pan and baking it. How long did you bake it, Dave? He doesn't know how long yet. About 20 minutes-ish. We are working on perfecting that recipe so that we could share it with you guys. And then I have 1 cup of 0% FDOE Greek yogurt. I was out of Mio, so I have a concoction of stevia erythritol blend, lime juice, and vanilla. And let me tell you, it's not that great, but I am gonna eat it anyway because that's what I do. And that's gonna be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Sunday night, and Chef Dave is working on painting kitchen cabinets, so we had to eat something from fast food. So this is just a half-pound roast beef from Arby's and side salad with ranch. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Monday, and I am having my first meal of the day. Today I am having 2 fried eggs, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese fried in a pan, and 4 Great Value brand sausages. I am apparently out of Mio and stevia, so I am not having any yogurt today, and may have to stop for a protein bar or something later in the day. Hello, everyone. It's Monday night. We still do not have access to our kitchen. Dave is still painting it, and so here is what I'm having for dinner. I am having 9 chicken wings with sauce on the side and blue cheese dressing, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. All right, everyone. It's Tuesday, and this is my first meal of the day. 2 fried eggs, 4 pieces of Great Value sausage, 1 ounce of mozzarella shredded cheese fried in a pan, and 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt. Today it is sweetened with stevia erythritol blend from Walmart and vanilla. And can I just say, I don't know how I survived eating it with just like vanilla and stevia for the longest time, because it's not that awesome and I really need to get some Mio. Hey everyone, it's Tuesday night and I just got home from dance. It's 10 something. I don't even know what time it is, and I am having one of my favorites, chicken over zoodles with cheese. What cheese is this? Mozzarella? Okay, so I have a cup of zucchini zoodles, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 1/2 cup of aroused marinara, and 6 ounces of chicken breast. And that is going to be my last meal of the day and the last meal of this video.
Well, there you have it. Everything I ate in the last 7 days on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope you got some great ideas that will help you get started on your own ketogenic meal plan. If you're interested in learning more about what I do specifically, join our Facebook page. The link is in the description below. Join the Facebook for support and ideas on how you can get started on your own weight loss journey. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.